each 100.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? What's good YouTube? We're at the Polar Express train ride thingy. I don't know. We drove an hour just to get here. Shoot, I'm tired as hell, bro. Alright, this is my first time doing anything like this.
I can feel my nose.
Yeah. So, I'm kind of nervous, but excited.
Yeah.
Those men are suited up.
I'll make a YouTube video, but I just don't want to.
They went all out with the decorations and stuff.
Marcy, so Marcy, line up right here. Car B, line up right here.
Alright, watch out, watch out. So guys, get perfect, alright?
Wait, do we gotta
Just left here. Left to the right. Car B to the right.
Is it alright if I record?
That's okay. Perfectly
Alright,
fine.
thanks.
Record as much as you want. Take all the pictures you want.
Alright.
Hello, watch your step on the way up. Welcome aboard.
Alright, thank you.
How we all doing?
This is nice. It's been a while since I've been on a train. Yo, this is nice. My glasses are coming down.
Get over here. Yeah. Get over here.
Yeah, this is nice. Yo, Yadi, when do you think the train's gonna start? Bro, look at all this decoration and I think that's the captain.
I don't think this train moves.
Yo, this train is gonna move. How much on about?
She told me she'd be here at 5:30.
I don't know when though, but
Well, are you coming? Where? Why, to the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express. The North Pole? Is there a deal? I see. Oh, this
I hope we get food though.
yeah, I think they did say something about getting food, like snack or something.
sounds to me like this is your
We gotta eat food. Camera on me. Real quick.
Don't point the camera.
Wow.
Not funny. Get your finger.
Come on. I've got a schedule to keep.
Gotta rate my fit, bro.
Are there any other boys and girls out there that would like to go to the North Pole?
Oh my gosh, we got more folks. All right. How you doing?
Thank you. Hey, you got the hot chocolate.
V stands for best.
Bro, oh my gosh, we just missed it, but that was awesome.
What exactly is your persuasion? You don't want to be bamboozled. You don't want to be let down the primrose path.
This is
You don't want to be
amazing.
conned or duped. Have the wool pulled over your eyes. Hoodwinked. You don't want to be taken for a ride. Railroaded. Let me ask all of you. Those of you who can see, raise your hand if you can hear something.
Guys, is he lying?
Nobody hears. Well, then.
That gets you on the line.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh!
Once again, your attention, please. Please sit back,
Yeah, bro.
follow along,
Cheers.
and enjoy the story of the Polar Express.
Yeah.
On Christmas Eve,
Yo, that was cute, bro.
it was wrapped in an incredible snowflakes. A conductor stood at the open door of one of the cars. He took a large bucket lunch from his vest and looked up at my window.
Dude, Daddy, I'm gonna go to school, right? I'm gonna be like, yo, Mr. Ronaldo, bro, you would never believe me if I told you. Like, showed a video to my teacher, like,
Ran up to
bro.
him.
Dude, this is
Well,
nice.
he said,
Oh, that's cool.
are you coming?
Dude, we got some hot chocolate with whipped cream inside. We got some cookies.
Why the door? Of
Got
course.
a golden ticket, you know.
This is the Polar Express.
Whoa, the lights are back on.
And he pulled
That's
me aboard.
nice.
The train was filled with other children, all in their pajamas and nightgowns. We sang Christmas carols and ate
That's
candies with ribbon
nice.
centers as white as snow. We drank hot cocoa as thick and rich as melted chocolate. Outside, the
Dude,
lights
this is
of towns and
amazing.
villages.
The cookie was
There,
hot.
said the conductor, is the North Pole. The North Pole. It was a huge city standing alone at the top of the world, filled with factories where every Christmas
That
toy
is
was made.
good.
At first, we saw no elf.
Yo, that is cool. But we just saw Santa, dude. This is amazing.
Where they say Santa at? What the freak?
I don't know, but I think we passed it, bro. Dude, that's amazing, bro. Whoa, what is that? Yo, that's nice. Dude, this is awesome. Yeah? I know. What's over there? That's nice. Yo, this is amazing, bro.
I'm so confused.
Bro, I'm not complaining. I mean, bro, I'm not complaining, dude. This is amazing, bro. Especially the snacks, bro.
Dad, I just died again. Only come to the loudest car, and I want the loudest car. So everybody say Santa.
The first gift of Christmas will go to who?
That's nice. Oh, Trey Sean's over there. Yo, good job, Trey.
Hey, Gigi! It's Santa! What? No way! It's Santa!
Santa's gonna say hi to everyone, then I'm gonna call you up table by table, taking a picture. Alright? Yeah.
Hello, how are you? I will. Should I make a way?
Thank you, Santa.
You're welcome. Like, oh man.
Why is she so excited about Santa? No.
Well, hello.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Santa.
Hey, Santa.
Yeah, is it nice and cold? Can you hear it ring? Me too. Wow. You're well, hello. How are we doing over here?
Doing good. Thank you, Santa.
Is it just the two of you in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas, Santa. We got Belgium green and stuff. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, it's fun, have fun. I don't know. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, it's fun, it's cool, I don't know how to sing it. But we got a bell